In this question, you have to point out why the conversion of milk to curd improves its nutritional value. Option A, by increasing the amount of vitamin D. It is incorrect because vitamin D levels generally remains unaffected by the process or in the process of conversion of milk to curd, that is fermentation. Option B, vitamin A. It is also incorrect. Vitamin A, which is also a fat soluble vitamin, is not significantly changed by the fermentation process from milk to curd. Option C, vitamin E. This is also incorrect because, like vitamin A or vitamin D, vitamin E is a fat soluble vitamin and is generally not affected by the bacterial fermentation process which converts milk to curd. Option D, vitamin B. Now, the conversion of milk to curd or yogurt involves the fermentation by lactic acid bacteria, mainly lactobacillus species. So, vitamin B12 or vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, are produced in higher quantities or amounts during the fermentation process. Now, this enhances the nutritional value of curd as compared to milk. Thus, it is the correct option.